now heading to Michigan, the biggest reason behind going there is to make sure that the culture that we've spent so many years creating in our Southern COG is duplicated, and that's a culture of empowerment. When I say empowered, I mean making their own decisions at the store level. It's keeping people from fearing retribution for making mistakes. We want you to feel comfortable doing that. And mostly it's having a career that allows you to put your family and your friends first.
Yes, so when we decided we're going to take on all the locations in Michigan, which was around 17, I believe, when we first started, we quickly reached out to some key talent in the organization, and we were very blessed to have 4 individuals that raised their hands, each with different specialty areas, to relocate and to go up there and to lead the charge. And I feel very strongly that without their dedication and commitment to do that, we would not have been as successful with the Michigan acquisition as we were.